Far from Japan's crowded cities, surrounded by the calm waters of the Seto Inland Sea, lies a tiny island where the first faces waiting at the harbor are not human. They belong to rabbits. This is Okunoshima, a small island in Hiroshima Prefecture. From the air it seems peaceful and almost untouched. Green hills, quiet beaches, and narrow roads winding beneath the trees. The journey usually begins at Tadanumi Port. After a short ferry ride, visitors step onto the island and quickly realize why Okunoshima has become known around the world as Japan's Rabbit Island. They appear beside the road, beneath benches, near old buildings, and along the shoreline. Some watch from a distance. Others approach carefully, their ears raised, hoping that the newest arrivals brought food. Hundreds of rabbits now roam freely across the island. There are white rabbits, golden rabbits, gray rabbits, and many with mixed colors, each one adapted to a life shaped by nature and tourism. With no cars rushing through the landscape and almost no permanent residents, the island feels unusually quiet. You can hear waves against the rocks, wind moving through the trees, and the soft movement of rabbits in the grass. At first, Okunoshima seems like a perfect animal paradise. The rabbits gather in open spaces, rest in the shade, and follow visitors along the paths. But the island's peaceful appearance hides a much darker story. When someone opens a bag of rabbit food, the silence suddenly breaks. Rabbits race from bushes and paths, surrounding the visitor in seconds. It is charming, chaotic, and one of the island's most unforgettable sights. Yet these animals are not pets. They are free-roaming rabbits, and life here can be difficult. Summer heat, winter cold, limited fresh water, and changing numbers of tourists all affect their daily survival. The exact origin of today's rabbit population is still debated. A popular explanation says that several rabbits were released here decades after the war and multiplied, although later abandoned pets may also have joined the colony. To understand why that detail matters, you have to look beyond the rabbits. Hidden among the trees are concrete ruins, blocked tunnels, storage rooms, and the remains of military buildings slowly being reclaimed by nature. From 1929 until the end of the Second World War, Okunoshima was used for the secret production of chemical weapons. The operation was so sensitive that the island was omitted from some maps. Workers produced poisonous gases under dangerous conditions. Many suffered lasting health problems after exposure. When the war ended, equipment and documents were destroyed, but the buildings and contaminated legacy could not disappear so easily. Today, the Poison Gas Museum preserves this history through photographs, equipment, and personal stories. It is a small museum, but it changes the meaning of the island, reminding visitors that beautiful places can carry painful memories. A rabbit sitting beside a ruined factory creates an almost unbelievable image. Innocence in the foreground, history in the shadows. Nowhere else does the contrast between Okunoshima's past and present feel so clear. Over time, the island transformed. What was once a secret military site became part of a national park and eventually a destination known for wildlife, sea views, cycling paths, camping, and, above all, rabbits. Visitors can help protect them by acting carefully, use appropriate rabbit food, place it away from roads, never chase or pick up the animals, and do not leave piles of food that may spoil after the ferry departs. Fresh water is especially valuable because natural sources on the island are limited. A quiet bowl of clean water can sometimes be more helpful than another handful of snacks. As evening approaches, the crowds become smaller. Golden light spreads across the sea, rabbits settle near the grass, and the abandoned structures fade into the trees. The island becomes silent once again. When the ferry pulls away, Okunoshima remains behind as a place of two stories, one soft and hopeful, the other dark and unforgettable. Perhaps that is why Rabbit Island stays in the memory long after the journey ends.